Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Today we are going to solve simultaneous equations exercise 6B from class 9 ICSE from the book Concise Selena. Each and every question is going to be solved over here. So please watch till end children. And if you are new to the channel, if you like the video, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Now this question this exercise, we are going to solve the questions wherein will be using all the methods that we have learned already in exercise 6A, 6B and 6C. Now you have the question here wherein two equations like 9 upon x minus 4 upon y is equal to 8. This is our equation number 1, and 13 upon x plus 7 upon y is equal to 101. So here what we are going to do is, we don't have the equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, right? So what we do is 1 upon x. So we'll write let 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n. So doing this, we get the equations as, since 1 upon x, so we get 9m minus 4n is equal to 8. This is our equation number 3. And 1 upon x is going to be m again. So we get 13m plus 7n is equal to 101. This is our equation number 4. Now we will be solving this one by elimination method, okay, by equating the coefficients and then eliminating it. So it's easy to multiply this equation by 7. So we'll multiply equation 3 by 7 and we'll multiply equation 4 by 4, okay. So when I multiply, I'm going to get the coefficient of n equal, okay, because 4 times 7 is going to be 28. And again 7 times 4 is going to be 28. So this is how we will get this equation 7. 9 times 7 we get 63m. 4 times 7 we get minus 28n is equal to 8 times 7 we are getting 56. Now 13 times 4, 13 fours are we get 52m minus 7 times 4 we get 28, sorry, plus 28n is equal to 101 times 4 we get 404. So let us add these two equations. So minus 28n plus 28n got cancelled. 3 plus 2, 5, 6 plus 1, 11. We get 115m is equal to 6 plus 4, 10. Carry 1, we get 6, 460. Okay, so we get m is equal to 460 divided by 115, which is equal to 4. Now we got the value of m as 4. Let us substitute this in equation number 3. Let us substitute this in equation number 3. So we'll substitute value of m is equal to 4 in equation 3. So we get 9 times 4 minus 4n is equal to 8. 9 times 4 is 36 minus 4n is equal to 8. So we get minus 4n is equal to 8 minus 36. 8 minus 36, we get it as minus 28. And then we get n is equal to minus 28 divided by minus 4, which is equal to positive 7. So we got m is equal to 4 and n is equal to 7. Now m is equal to 4, but 1 upon x is equal to m, right? So we get m, so which is equal to, so that this implies x is equal to, it is going to be the reciprocal of this 1 upon 4. And from, since n is equal to 7, so we have 1 upon y is equal to 7. 1 upon y is equal to 7. So we get y is equal to 1 upon 7. So this is how we get y is equal to 1 upon 7 and x is equal to 1 upon 4. So we are done with question number 1. Let's move on to question number 2. This is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. Okay. So again, we will take let 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n. Using this, we get these equations as 3m plus 2n is equal to 10. This is our equation number 3. And 9m minus 7n is equal to 10.5. This is our equation number 4. Let us equate the coefficients of n and then eliminate. So we multiply this by 7, this by 2. On doing that, 7 times 3 is 21m plus 2 times n is 14n is equal to 10 times 7 is 70. Again, 2 times 9 is 18m. 7 2s are, again we get minus 14n, and 10.5 into 2 is 21. Let us add these two equations. We got 14n minus 14n got cancelled. 21, 8 plus 1, 9, 2 plus 1, 3, 39m is equal to 91. So m is equal to 91 upon 39. Both are divisible by 13. Dividing by 13, we get 13 sevens are 91 and 13 threes are. So if m is 7 upon 3, now we will be substituting the value of m in any equation. So let us put it in equation number 3. So we put substitute m, you substitute in equation 3. Okay, so we get 3 in bracket 7 upon 3 plus 2n is equal to 10. Let us solve it here. So this 3 and 3 got cancelled. So we get 2n. This plus 7 goes here, it becomes minus. So we get 2n is equal to 10 minus 7, which is 3. So n is equal to 3 upon 2. So now if m is equal to 7 upon 3, since 1 upon x is m, so you get x is equal to reciprocal of this, which is 3 by 7. And y is equal to, since 1 upon y is equal to n and n is 3 by 2, you get y is equal to 2 by 3, the reciprocal of that. So this is how we completed with question number 2 now. Let's move, and it's easy. So let us again take this equation as 1 and this one as 2. So we have here, so now here it is already 5x and it is 8 upon y. So we'll simply change this. So we'll just take let 1 upon y is equal to a. Any variable can be given. And then on putting this 1 upon y is equal to a, we get this equations as 5x plus 8a is equal to 19. And we get 3x minus 4a is equal to 7. So this is our equation number 3 and this is our equation number 4. Now you look at this 8 and 4. I simply multiply this entire equation by 2. I'll be getting the coefficient of a equated. So on multiplying this equation by 2, I get this as 3 2s are, we get 6x. 4a into 2 is minus 8a is equal to 7 times 2, which is 14. And let us write this equation number 3 as it is 5x plus 8a is equal to 19. Now we will be adding these two equations. So we got a eliminated. 6x plus 5x is 11x is equal to 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry 1, we get 33. So this is how we got the x value as 33 upon 11, which is 3. Now we got the value of x as 3. Let us put this in the equation number 4. So we'll put this in equation number 4. So putting the value of x is equal to 3 in equation 4, we get 3 times 3 minus 4a is equal to 7. So 9 minus 4a is equal to 7. Minus 4a is equal to 7 minus 9, which is minus 2. And this is how we get a is equal to minus 2 upon minus 4, which is 1 upon 2. So if a is 1 upon 2, if 1 upon y is a, so we get y is equal to reciprocal of this, which is 2. So this is how we got x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. And we are done with question number 3. Let's move on to question number 4. In question number 4, again we have two equations, 4x plus 6 upon y is equal to 15 and 3x minus 4 upon y is equal to 7. Now in this equation, we can just take 1 upon y is equal to m or any alphabet. So let us take let 1 upon y is equal to m. So we get two equations as 4x plus 6m is equal to 15. Let us take this as equation number 1 now. And 3x, we are putting here 1 upon y as m. So we get minus 4m is equal to 7. This is our equation number 2. Now we will be equating the coefficients of m. Now 6 and 4, the LCM is 12. So if I multiply this equation by 2, I'm getting 12m. If I multiply this equation by 3, I'm getting 12m here. So this is how we'll be able to eliminate m. So on multiplying this entire equation by 2, 4 times 2, we get 8x plus 6 times 2 is 12m is equal to 15 times 2 is 30. 3 times 3 is 9x. 4 times 3, it is minus 12m is equal to 7 times 3 is 21. Let us add this, we get m eliminated here. 8 plus 9, we get 17x is equal to 30 plus 21 is 51. So x is equal to 51 upon 17, which is 3. So we got the value of x as 3. Let us put it in equation number 2. So substituting this in equation number 2, we get here 3 times 3 is minus 4m is equal to 7. 3 times 3 is 9 minus 4m is equal to 7. So the same like the previous question, I think we are getting the value. So we get minus 4m is equal to 7 minus 9, which is minus 2. So m is equal to minus 2 upon minus 4, which is 1 upon 2. Now we got the value of m as 1 upon 2. So we get y is equal to 2. So now we got the value of x as 3 and value of y as 2. We now have to find the value of a if y is equal to ax minus 2. So we have ax minus 2 is equal to y. Value of a is 3. We substitute here a into 3 minus 2 is equal to y, which is 2. So we get 3a is equal to 2 plus 2. This minus 2 goes here because plus 2. We get 3a is equal to 4. Or we get a is equal to 4 upon 3, which is 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. So a is equal to 1 by 3. Done with question number 4. Quickly moving on to question number 5. Again, we will take let 1 upon x. Again, so again we have 3 upon x. So we take 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n. So let us take 1 upon x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to n. Using this, we get this equation as 3m minus 2n is equal to 0. Let this be equation number 1. And 2m plus 5n is equal to 19 is our equation number 2. So now we will be equating the coefficients of n. So we'll multiply this equation by 5 and this by 2. So 5 3s are 15m minus 2 into 5 is 10n is equal to 5 times 0 is 0. 2 2s are 4m plus 10n, 5 into 2, which is equal to 9 2s are 38. So minus 10n plus 10n, so n gets eliminated. 15 plus 4, we get 19m is equal to 38. So m is equal to 38 upon 19, which is equal to 2. So we got the value of m as 2. Let us substitute this value of m as 2 in equation number 1. So we get 3 times 2 minus 2n is equal to 0. So we get 3 times 2 is 6. So we get minus 2n is equal to 0 minus 6, which is minus 6. So we get n is equal to minus 6 upon minus 2, which is 3. So we got the value of m as 2 and n as 3. So if m is equal to 2, you get value of x is going to be the reciprocal of this. So this implies your x is equal to 1 upon 2. And here this implies your y is equal to 1 upon 3. Now we got the values of x and y. We got the values of x and y. Let us find out got the value of x. Value of x is equal to, we have got 1 upon 2. And we have got the value of y as 1 upon 3. We have to find the value of a. So we get ax plus 3 is equal to y. So x is 1 upon 2. So we get half a plus 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. So this 3 goes here. We get half a is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 3. So we'll take the LCM here. Multiplying by 3, we get half a is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 3 3s are 9 upon 3, which is minus 8 upon 3. So we get a is equal to minus 8 by 3. This 2 is going to move up here. So into 2. So we get a is equal to minus 16 upon 3, which can be written in the mixed fraction as 3 5s are 15 and 5 plus 15 plus 1 is 16. So minus 5 1 by 3 is the answer for a. Got it? Let's move on to question number 6 now. In question number 6, again, we have little different. 20 upon x plus y plus 3 upon x minus y is equal to 7. And 8 upon x minus y minus 15 upon x plus y is equal to 5. So here again, this is not that difficult, children. Let us make it more easy. So let us take 1 upon x plus y is equal to a and 1 upon x minus y is equal to b. So here we will be getting 20a plus 3b is equal to 7. Now x plus y, so I'll be writing this x plus y, 1 upon x plus y we have taken a. So we'll write this minus 15a under this. Okay, 1 upon x plus y. and 8 upon x minus y. 1 upon x minus y is b, so it is positive. So you get plus 8b will be writing here, which is equal to 5. So let this be our equation number 1. Let this be our equation number 2. So now we will be equating the coefficients here. To equate the coefficients, now we can see that 20 and 15, the LCM is 60. So if I multiply this equation by 3, 20 times 3 is going to be 60. And if I multiply this equation by 4, 15 times 4 is going to be 60. So this is how we get 20 into 3, we get 60a plus 3 into 3, we get 9b is equal to 7 times 3 is 21. 4 into minus 15 is minus 60a plus 8 4s are 32b is equal to 5 4s are 20. So a plus 60a minus 60a, a got eliminated. 9 plus 2, 11. We get 41. B is equal to 20 plus 21 is 41. So we get B is equal to 41 by 41, which is 1. So now we got the value of B as 1. So from this we will get an equation. Since 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon x minus y is equal to B. So we get here, instead of B, if I write 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1. So x minus y moves here. I get x minus y is equal to 1. This is my equation number 3. Let this be my equation number 3. Now further what we will do is, since we have now calculated the value of B, let us move on and substitute this value of B in equation number 2. So we put the value of B is equal to 1 in equation number 2. So we get here minus 15a plus 8b. So 8 into 1 is equal to 5. So we get minus 15a is equal to 5 minus 8. So we get minus 15a is equal to 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So we get a is equal to minus 3 upon minus 15, which is equal to 1 upon 5. So if a is equal to 1 upon 5, so a is what? A is 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5. So we get x plus y is equal to 5. This is our equation number 4. Now we'll be solving these two equations further. The equation, we got x minus y is equal to 1. This was our equation number 3. And we had got x plus y is equal to 5. This was our equation number 4. Let us solve these equations further. So we are now able to eliminate y over here. You can see that coefficients of y are plus 1 and minus 1. So this gets eliminated. So we get 2x is equal to 5 plus 1, which is 6. So x is equal to 6 upon 2, which is 3. Now substituting this value in any equation. So let us put in equation number 4. Let us put x is equal to 3 in equation number 4. So you get 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. So this is how we got the value of x as 3 and y as 2. So easy. Let's move on to the second part of question number 6. Again, this is easy. So what we will do here, we will take now 1 upon 3x plus 4y is equal, let 1 upon 3x plus 4y is equal to a, and 1 upon 3x and 1 upon 3x minus 2y is equal to b. Okay, let us put, so we get these equations as 34a plus 15b is equal to 5. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do this 3x plus 4y wala this side, because a, this is a, right? So minus 8.5a, and this is going to be plus 25b, because 3x minus 2y, 1 upon 3x minus 2y is b, is equal to 4.5. Now we have to equate the coefficients again here. So equating the coefficients, it will be easy that I'll multiply this equation. 15, if I multiply 25, 3s are 75 and 15, 5s are 75, right? So we'll be able to equate these coefficients of 15 and this. Okay, so finding the LCM of 8.5 and 34 instead, let's take the whole part. So 15 4s are, you get, 15 5s are, we get 75, and 25 3s are, we get 75. So this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. We are multiplying equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 3. Understanding, because we are equating the coefficients of B now. So we get 5 into 34, we get 170A plus 15 5s are, we get 75b, which is equal to 5 times 5, which is 25. Again, 8.5a multiplied by 8.5a multiplied by 3, we get 25 minus 25.5a. 25.5a. 25 threes are, we get plus 75b, which is equal to 4.5 into 3 is 13.5. It is 13.5. Okay. Now what we do is, we have plus and plus here. We want to eliminate these, so we'll have to subtract. So when we subtract, we change the signs of each and every term of next equation. So we get 170 minus 25.5. 170, sorry, plus 25.5. So let us add this here. So we get 5, 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 2, 9. We get 195.5a, and this got eliminated, is equal to, when we add this 5 plus 3, it is, okay, this is a 5.5, this is 0.0. So carry 1. So we get 5 minus 4 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 11.5. Okay. So we are getting this 11.5. Now A is equal to 11.5 upon 195.5, which is nothing but 115 upon 1955. So you can divide 1955 and divide this by 23, you are getting 23 5s. When you divide 1955 by 23, you are getting 85. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 17s are 85. So we got the value of A as 1 upon 17. So if you have got the value of A as 1 upon 17, let us substitute the value of A is equal to 1 upon 17 in equation number 1. So we get 34 into 1 upon 17 plus 15b is equal to 5. 17 2s are 34. We get 15b is equal to 5 minus 2. So we get b is equal to 5 minus 2, which is 3. 15b is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3 by 15, which is 1 upon 5. Now let us frame the equations over here. So we already have here a is equal to 1 upon 17. But what is the value of a? I'm going to write up there, so I'm just changing the color. So we have taken A as, so you have 1 upon 3x plus 4y is equal to A, which is 1 upon 17. So we get an equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 17. This is going to be our equation number 3. In the same way over here, the value of B, which is 1 upon 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 upon 5. 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 upon 5. So we get 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. This is going to be our equation number 4. Now we are going to solve these two equations to get the value of x further. Got the value of 3x plus 4y is equal to 17. This was our equation number 3. And 3x minus 2y is equal to 5 was our equation number 4. So let us solve these equations. We will be able to eliminate the value of x because the coefficients are same. So we subtract these equations. We'll have to change the sign here. So 3x minus 3x, x got eliminated. 4y plus 2y is 6y. 17 minus 5 is 12. So we get y is equal to 12 upon 6, which is equal to 2. So we got the value of y as 2. Let us put this value of y in equation number 4. So we get 3x minus 2y. So 2 minus 2 times 2 is equal to 5. So we get 3x minus 4 is equal to 5. 3x is equal to 5 minus 4 goes here, becomes plus 4. So we get 3x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 9 upon 3, which is x is equal to 3. 3 3s are 9. So this is how we got the value of x as 3 and y is equal to 2. We are done with question number 6, the second part. Let's move on to question number 7. In question number 7 is the easiest question over here. So we have x plus y is equal to 2xy and equation number 1, and let this be our equation number 2. Straight we are going to add this equation, so we get the y eliminated. So we get x plus x, which is 2x, is equal to 2xy plus 6xy is 8xy. Now we can now get rid of x over here. So this x and x from both sides get cancelled. So if I have to keep this y over here, I get 2x. This 8x comes down here is equal to y. So x got cancelled, 2 ones are and 2 fours are. So we get the value of y as 1 upon 4. Now value of y we have got 1 upon 4. Let us substitute this in equation number 1. So we substitute this in equation number 1. We get x plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 2x into 1 upon 4. Value of y we are putting 1 upon 4. 2. So we get here 2 ones are and 2 twos are. And let us take this x upon 2 this side. We get x. This x upon 2 comes here, becomes minus x upon 2, which is equal to 1 upon 4 goes here, becomes minus 1 upon 4. So now we have, let us take LCM here. So LCM is 2, so we'll have to multiply by 2 to numerator and denominator. So 2x minus x is 2x minus x is x upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 4. So you get x is equal to minus, this 2 goes up here, 2 by 4. So which is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is how we got the x value as minus 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 upon 4. We are done with the first part of question number 7. Now first part of the question number 7 done. Let us move on to the second part. This is also easy. Again, here you can see we will be able to eliminate this. So this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So what do we do over here? This is already minus 3y. So if I multiply this equation by 3, we will be able to equate the coefficients of y. So multiplying equation 1 by 3, we get 3x plus 3y is equal to 3 sevens are 21xy. The next equation we write as it is 2x minus 3y is equal to minus xy. So let us add this. You got y eliminated. 3x plus 2x is 5x. 21 minus 1, which is 20xy. So again, this x will get cancelled from both sides. And you get y remains here, 20 goes here. So we get y is equal to 5 upon 20, which is 1 upon 4. We got the value of y as 1 upon 4. If you're not understanding this way, you can keep y here itself and take 20 over here. So you can have 5 upon 20 is equal to y and then also it's okay. Let us substitute this y is equal to 1 upon 4 in equation number 1. So put this in equation 1, put in equation 1. So putting this in equation number 1, we get x plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 7x. In bracket, you get 1 upon 4, which is the value of y. Okay, so we get here now, this is x and this is 7x upon 4, which is 7x upon 4. This 7x upon 4 we will take on the left hand side. So x minus 7x upon 4 is equal to this 1 by 4. I'll take over here, becomes minus 1 by 4. Now take the LCM here, we'll have to multiply by 4. So the 4 is LCM here, 4x minus, we have 4x minus 7x, which is equal to minus 1 by 4. So 4x minus 7x is minus 3x upon 4 is equal to minus 1 by 4. So this got cancelled and this minus sign also moves, or you can write x is equal to minus 1 upon minus 3, which is 1 upon 3. So this is how you got the value of x as 1 upon 3 and value of y as 1 upon 4. And you are done with question number 1. Moving to question number 8, it is a upon x minus b upon y is equal to 0 and ab square upon x plus a square b upon y is equal to a square plus b square. So these are the two equations that we have to solve. So question number 8, we have this equation 1 and equation 2. Now look at this. This is a square b upon y and it is minus b. So we will be now equating the coefficients of y. So if I multiply by a square to equation 1, my problem gets solved. So if I multiply by a square into a, I get a cube upon x minus multiplying by a square into b, I have minus a square b upon y is equal to a square into 0 is 0. The second equation I'm writing as it is, I'm writing ab square upon x plus a square b upon y is equal to a square plus b square. Now you can see here the a square b upon y, a square b upon y. So this gets cancelled. Now we have eliminated y over here. So here we get a cube plus ab square upon x is equal to a square plus b square. Now here what we can do, we can take a cube upon x plus a cube upon x plus a b square upon x is equal to a square plus b square. Now from here what can be taken common? We can have the denominator is same, so we can take a upon x common. If you take a upon x common, you are left from here, a upon x has gone, you are left with a square plus a upon x has gone, we are left with b square, which is equal to a square plus b square. Now this a square plus b square goes here in the denominator, this will get cancelled. So we get the value of a as x, or x is equal to a. We got the value of x as a. Now this x is equal to a, we will substitute in equation number 1. So x is equal to a, we will substitute in equation 1. Put x is equal to a in equation 1. So putting x is equal to a in equation 1, so you get a upon a minus b upon y is equal to 0. Okay, so a upon a is 1 and this b upon y goes here, it becomes 0 plus b upon y. So you get b upon y is equal to 1, or you can take this y over here, you get y is equal to b. So this is how you got the value of x is equal to a and y is equal to b. It's easy. Okay. Chalo, moving to question number 9. And question number 9 is again easy. So you have here in question number 9, 2xy upon x plus y is equal to 3 by 2 and xy upon 2x minus y is equal to minus 3 by 10 and x plus y is not equal to 0 and 2x minus y is not equal to 0. Okay. Now what we do over here, we just cross multiply. So on cross multiply, let me write this equations once again. So 2xy upon x plus y is equal to 3 upon 2. So this equation is going to be, this 2 goes here, 2 2s are, we get or 3 in bracket, this 3 in bracket x plus y is equal to, you get 2 2s are, we get 4xy. So we get the equation as 3x plus 3y is equal to 4xy. Let us take this as equation number 1. Same way we simplify the other equation, which was xy upon 2x minus y is equal to minus 3 upon 10. Let us cross multiply. So we will have to take minus 3 in bracket 2x minus y, which goes here. 2x minus y is equal to, this 10 goes here, it becomes 10xy. So we get minus 3 into 2, we get minus 6x. Minus 3 into plus y is plus 3y. So minus into minus is plus, which is equal to 10xy. This is our equation number 2. So let us solve these two equations. Let us write, because this already it was written. I'm writing this one below over here. So I'm writing equation 1 below this. So we get 3x plus 3y is equal to 4xy. So we will be subtracting these equations because 3y and 3y both are positive. So we got y eliminated. So minus 6x minus 3x is minus 9x. 10xy minus 4xy is 6xy. So again we got x eliminated and we get y remains over here and minus 9 upon 6, which is equal to y. So we get y is equal to 3 2s are, 3 3s are, we get y is equal to minus 3 by 2. We got the value of y as minus 3 by 2. Let us substitute the value of minus 3 by 2 in the equation number, okay, let us put it in equation number 1. Okay, so let us put it in equation number 1. So we have 3x plus 3y is equal to 4xy. So we put 3x plus 3y. So 3y, so it is 3 into minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 4xy, that is 4 into x into minus 3 by 2. So let us simplify this. So we have 2 1s and 2 2s. We get 3x and this 2 into minus 3 is going to be minus 2 into minus is minus 6x, which comes here becomes plus 6x, which is equal to 3 3s are minus 9. Minus 9 by 2 comes here, it becomes 9 by 2. So 3x plus 6x is 9x is equal to 9 by 2. You get x is equal to 9 by 2, and this 9 comes in the denominator 1 by 9. So 9 got cancelled. We got the value of x as 1 upon 2. So this is how we get x is equal to 1 upon 2 and y is equal to minus 3 by 2, and we are done with question number 9. Okay, and now we are left with the last question of this exercise. Now the last question of this exercise is again very easy. So solving this last question, we have 3 upon 2x plus 2 upon 3y is equal to minus 1 by 3. This is our equation number 1. And 3 upon 4x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to minus 1 upon 8 is our equation number 2. Now here let us assume let 1 upon x is equal to a, 1 upon x is equal to a, and 1 upon y is equal to b. So we get these equations as 3 upon 2a plus 2 upon 3b is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay. And if I simplify this and take the LCM, you get 3 3s are, we get 9a, 2 2s are plus 4b, and LCM is 6, 3 2s are 6, which goes over here, which is minus, this is going to be 6, and which is equal to minus 1 by 3. So if I take this 6 over here, this I get 9a plus 4b is equal to minus 2. Let this be my equation number 3. Okay. Now, same way, what we can do is, this is 3 by 4x. So we have another equation, 3 upon 4a plus 1 upon 2b is equal to minus 1 by 8. The LCM we will be taking now, instead of having LCM as 4, we will cross multiply because this 8 and 8 can get cancelled easily. So we get 2 3s are 6a plus 4 1s are 4b upon 8 is equal to minus 1 by 8. So this 8 and 8 got cancelled. So we get 6a plus 4b is equal to minus 1 is our equation number 4. Now we will solve this equation number 3 and 4. Let me write here itself down. So 6a plus 4b is equal to minus 1. This is our equation number 4. So we will subtract this so that we eliminate b over here. So we get 6a minus 9a minus 6a is 3a, 4b minus 4b is 0, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So we got the value of a as minus 1 by 3. Now we got the value of a as minus 1 by 3. So this will give you the value of x as minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 because the reciprocal. 1 upon x is equal to a. So we get x as minus 3. Okay. Now let us put this value of a is equal to minus 1 by 3 in equation number 3. So we get a value of 9 into minus 1 by 3 plus 4b is equal to minus 2. 3 1s are, 3 3s are 9. So we get 4b is equal to minus 2. This minus 3 goes here, becomes plus 3. So we get b is equal to minus 2 plus 3 is 1. And this 4 goes down, 1 upon 4. So this is how we get the value of y is equal to 4 because b is 1 by 4. So we got the value of x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to 4. And this is the solution for our last question. So children, if you like the video, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.